Hi, where are you? You're in Cambodia?
Good morning guys! Samahan niyo ako ngayon, ipapasyal ko kayo dito sa The Mirrors Hills Resort dito sa Iloilo, located in Haniway. Ang ambience niya talaga is parang nasa ibang bansa ka. Tingnan itong anak ko.
Hi, where are you? You're in Cambodia?
Napaka-welcoming talaga ng area nila. Itong restaurant dining area nila is napaka-ganda ng ambience, relaxing talaga sa kanila. Napakalawak. Feel na feel mo talaga nasa ibang bansa.
Good morning, Bali! Is that infinity pool?
Aba, syempre hindi papahuli, dapat bisitahin talaga yung banyo kasi dito ka kukuha ng distribution. So, ito yung hanging bridge nila. Tingnan nyo. Kaya to ni! Mamalik ka lang?
Huwag mo kami dahil na mapashed ka lang po. Ha? Okay ka na ba? Sige. Anak, I'll take a picture of you.
Oh, go! Put it in your mind that it should be moving because it is a hanging bridge. You just have to do your balance. Ooh. It is a hanging bridge and it should be moving. Oop. Oop, 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 oop. You have to do your balance, anak, because it's swaying. You have to make it like that. That's okay. That's okay. You have to go and move. It's okay. It's okay. That's all right. Somebody is calling on your phone. I don't know who. But it's okay. You can answer it later. We are already halfway, so I just have to go and look forward. Yep. Oh, okay. You wanna watch down?
Hindi dati, di ba? Ay, hindi ako.
Okay.
Mommy, I will stay. She's not going. Look at that. It's wiggling. See? Ooh. It's moving. But it's secure. The net's making you feel secure. Of course it will move. Because it's a hanging bridge. If it's not a hanging bridge, then it will not move. Yeah, but you have to look forward. Conquer your fear. Conquer. Ako man. But there are times, ito na nag-ano ko. Okay, nasa green mo, because you're on the left side, I'm on the right side. Here is a little bit wiggly. Oh my god. I just have to move, you don't have to stop, because when you stop, you will feel that it's shaking. Ano pa nang nantaw sa movie, yung mga nag-hanging bridge na sila ka nagdala-kalabugtok, nagdadalagan man kung hindi ka na-try. Ha? It's okay. Oopsie. It's alright. You're making it sway, anak. You're making it sway. You have to go on a walking straight line. Go, 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 don't stop. Don't stop. Shut and go. Can you stay here hanging? Di ba, mag-zipline kapag hanging? So you have to conquer your fear. That's why we have river, dali. Because there is a hanging bridge. Look at that. Ooh, my goodness. We're almost here. We're almost there. And when you try to look back, it's actually that far. Yep. So we'll just stay there and wait for us. Yeah, we don't have any other place to, any other way. Yep. Namuna mo, di siya gani. Mga Ay, ang mabilis. Oo nga, ano siya? Ano na sila yun, Yes! Sige, hindi siya mag-wave lang, ama. Mag-wave na,
You know what is this? Nang? You know what is this, oh? Are, oh? This is the kaong. Puno ng kaong.
This one?
Yes.
Walang kaong nasisalas?
Oo.
How are you going to plant the seeds?
Ang tubo na siya, yes. Oo, mga seedlings na.
Then you have to plant one
Araw
as
na.
a remembrance.
Kaong na siya.
Later, I'm going to put it in the woods. Damo. Ini tayo.
Itanong mo lang sa Ang iyan nga bunga, na bala ma. Ara bala na nga. Ang iyan nga bunga. May mga bilog-bilog na sa gagmay. Do parehas man bala sa bunga, sang lubi nga gagmay.
Adason na mo lang na
Tapos,
siya.
lagaon mo na siya.